Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to take you through the 1K daily system. Now this is the usual type of headline on here. It's going to get me $1,000 paydays in 60 seconds. I'm going to take you into the dashboard. I'm going to show you around. I'm going to show you some of these done for you campaigns that you can get, and then explain to you exactly what I think the issues are with this type of churn and burn product, which it is because it's the same product that's been released time and time again by the same vendor and pretty much the same interface as well. All they're doing is changing the colors and changing the name of the product and the sales page. So the 1K daily system is due to be released on Friday the 2nd of October at 10 AM Eastern. It comes from Glenn Kosky and it comes off the Warrior Plus network. So guys, as usual, I'll give you a product overview. We'll go through the members area. I'll talk to you about the sales page. We'll talk about the upgrades. I'll tell you what's good about the product or what's not good about the product. And then I'll give you my summary. And then obviously you can take that and make a more informed decision before you go ahead and purchase. So just some headlines from that sales page. It's 100% done for you, high commission system, 100% free traffic built in, zero tech skills, experience or maintenance required, 5-figure day training included to get you started, 100% beginner friendly, no email list, paid traffic required, make sales or we'll send you $75 in compensation, and it's a 180-day money back guarantee. So I'm going to go through each one of these claims when we jump back to the sales page. So I just jumped into the dashboard, and this is the same dashboard they've had for the last 3 or 4 products. Everything's the same. All the changes is the name of the product and some of this coloring. You have your dashboard here, you've got your tutorials here, you've got some done for you campaigns here, you've got a place here you can actually create your campaigns, additional affiliate links here, extra done for you campaigns here, extra affiliate links here, free traffic training here, an unlimited upgrade here, unlimited traffic training here, and then all of the upgrades down here. So let's just show you one of these campaigns, and rather than go and create one, I'm going to show you the done for you campaigns first. So here are the campaigns, and then I'm asking you to promote these products. Now if you saw my last review, which is Continuum, this is the same thing where you get provided a set of pages that are your funnel. Now Continuum was slightly different because it had a webinar application actually added to it, which I thought give it some pluses over things like this. But basically this vendor just gives you the same funnel builder every single time. So if I just go into this top one, these are Clickbank products. Or at least the top one is a Clickbank product, which is simple Wi-Fi profit. So I just go into this and edit it. What you're actually getting here is the done for you funnel. So you would put your affiliate link into this, obviously, so you get paid. And what you would have is basically this. So this is the same editor as you had in the old create the new campaign. And they would already have provided these pages for you. So you have this page, which is the opt-in page content. Then you have the webinar page content. These are high ticket items, so usually they have some kind of webinar first. Then you have the download page content. Then you have some settings here where you can add additional social proof type pop-ups, which is one of the upgrades that they have. And then you have a webinar video that you can go ahead and add. So it's very, very similar kind of thinking and strategy to that product I talked about, Continuum. So you have that kind of done for you campaign, and you have a choice of this passive income system, Project Profit Academy, which is Brendan Macy's product, and then the super affiliate system, which is John Cristani's. So these are Clickbank products that you can go ahead and promote. And you don't need this to promote them. You can just go onto Clickbank and grab those links and just go ahead and promote them, but you'd have to build landing pages. So one of the only advantages of having a product like this is there is some done for you landing pages built in here, and you can go ahead and utilize them straight away. The problem is you'll never learn how to do it yourself if you're using products like this. But there is some done for you campaigns there. Now if you create a new campaign, what this allows you to do is pick from a very basic set of landing pages. And what it is just a set of pre-made landing pages and templates that you can go ahead and pick from. So you have all of these templates here, and I can basically just pick any of these and it'll bring it down into this main window, and I can start changing things up, changing colors, and pretty much doing what I want to that particular template. And I do the same for the others, and I can do a webinar page. It asks me to load a webinar content page, do the same thing, and it'll allow me to edit all of this stuff. So that's what the actual content creator does. And if you want to go ahead and grab some affiliate links, this is where your affiliate links are. So Super Affiliate System, Project Profit Academy, Passive Income System, and the Super Wi-Fi Profits. I would go on here and I would go and get my affiliate link. So each one of these are going to have the similar kind of thing where you have to go ahead and, yeah, there's Mr. John Castani. You have to go ahead and grab your affiliate links for these. So each one of these you can preview it. You can go ahead and see what kind of webinar they're going to point people to. This Profit Project Academy, I actually purchased this many years ago and lost an absolute fortune on it. It's not worth the money. And quite frankly, I'm not sure any of these are. But this is what you're going to be asked to promote. Now, if you want additional done for you campaigns, there is some additional ones here that are going to provide for you. Partnership to Success, this is John Thornhill's program, Six Figure Success Academy, Membership Method Partnership Program, and Clickbank Passive Income. So they're all Clickbank products. So basically you don't need any of this. You can get your own page builder and set up your landing page and just direct it towards these webinars, and you can do all that pretty cheaply. So you don't need this at all. But if you were going to take this up, one of the issues I do see is this is all self-hosted within the 1K daily system, and I can't see a way that you can download these pages and use them yourself. Now if you can, then it would be much better, because these are obviously going to be hosted by yourself then, because these vendors have a history of releasing products every single month, and they don't actually support the products once they've been released after a while. So you're going to end up with a business potentially on here that just disappears overnight. So yeah, I can't see anywhere on there that I could download this and use this on my own website. So that's a big issue for me. So I guess for a newbie, it might be okay to use a system like this. I definitely think it's not good for your business long term if you're using software like this. So I'm over on the Done For You campaigns, and here's the traffic solution that they're saying is completely free. There is other traffic training down here as usual. If you go into the free traffic, it's got Affiliate Traffic Lab and various others that I've said in multiple reviews don't work, because either they're spammy or Affiliate Traffic Lab doesn't work at all. I've got a review that I'll actually link to down in my description that'll show you that it doesn't work. And on this one, these social shares, these are just not traffic. If you're going to think that by putting your affiliate link in Simple Wi-Fi Profits and coming over to this social share button and then sharing it to these platforms is going to get you traffic, you're really wrong. Unless you have an existing following on any of these traffic sources, nobody is going to be bothered about your link on, say, Facebook, unless you go and try and market to your family and friends. So you need a following on any of these social networks to get any kind of traffic from them, full stop. It just doesn't work. So this isn't traffic at all, and this is usually the free traffic you'll get in 60 seconds. And even having said that, if I shared this to my Facebook wall now, it's going to take longer than 60 seconds for somebody to come across to here. So all of those claims are nonsense. And again, this is the usual stuff around the different types of funnels. Usually they just pick a different set of products for you to go ahead and promote, but it's all the same thing. And the free traffic, I said, is the Affiliate Traffic Lab, an upgrade. The unlimited traffic is a Facebook pixel that they put on their own Facebook pages and they tell you that it's going to generate traffic. And then again, all of these are your various upgrades down here. So I'll put information about these in the description if you really want to understand what each one of these are. But I'm not going to spend any more time on this interface because I've done it multiple times before. The issues with this is it's hosted by them, so your business could go straight away. And the main issue is the traffic you'll need to generate any kind of profits from these offers. Because remember, the one big issue you have is they are expensive offers. They're up to $1,000 to $2,000 just to become a member. So when you do make a commission, potentially you can make a big commission. You would have to generate a lot of traffic to get people that are going to be interested in these types of offers. So jump back over the sales page, usual thing. 3 simple steps. Quickly grab your coffee before the price increases. Log in and configure some basic settings, i.e. enter your affiliate links, and then sit back and watch $1,000 sales roll in. Surely nobody's going to believe that all I have to do is enter my affiliate links and then sit back and watch money roll in. No money will roll in. This is going to take work. The actual strategy itself around building a funnel and having a high ticket offer is great. What you usually do is build up an audience within your own autoresponder, which, by the way, they've got affiliate links in for autoresponders inside this software, even though they say they don't need autoresponders. But that's by the by. But you need to kind of build up an audience first, have some lower ticket offers that they're interested in, provide them value, and then try and sell them high ticket offers like this. What you don't do is just grab any old link and throw it onto Facebook, and then suddenly somebody comes along and willing to pay $2,000 for a product that you promoted. You'd be very, very lucky if that happens to you. Now, someone like these vendors who've got a massive traffic source may be able to do that occasionally. You as a beginner will have no chance. So again, you can take this for a pinch of salt. These guys, they're always putting top marketers on their pages as if these guys have got any idea about this product, and they really haven't. Of course they're using high ticket sales, and some of these guys are worth millions. So guys, I skipped through all the rest of the page because it's the usual stuff. You're going to make an absolute fortune from this. The problem is that, I hope you know by now, that either the financial results are the vendors only, who is making a lot of money online, or they're completely made up. So you can take them for a pinch of salt. The guarantee on this was an interesting one. They said you got a 100% money back guarantee, unconditional 180-day money back guarantee. But when I read it, it says take up to 30 days to leverage the software and system for 1K daily system. So is this a 30-day guarantee or a 180-day guarantee? Those two things don't tie up. So I have lots of comments on my videos, guys. These vendors, as well as a lot of vendors on Warrior Plus, are notoriously hard to get money back. So be very, very certain before you want to go ahead and purchase items off them. This is literally the same value graphic that's done on all of their various products. It's about $22,000 worth of value here, and you get it on the front end for $17. And if you look at this, nobody is going to pay $200 a month for this software. For $200 a month, you can get ClickFunnels, GrooveFunnels, all sorts of much better quality funnel builders than this. You would have to be mad to pay that money for this software. So guys, let's talk about the upgrades, and I will leave a bit more detail about this in the description below if you are interested. Front end is $17. Unlimited version is $67 down to $37. The second number is always the downside, remember guys. OTO 2 is 100% done for you, $97 down to $67. OTO 3 is unlimited traffic, $147 down to $47. OTO 4 is 30k in 30 days version, $147 down to $47. OTO 5 is the super affiliate version, $97 down to $37. OTO 6 is the license rights, $147 down to $67. And OTO 7 is auto profit boost, which is $47 down to $37. Quite alarmingly, that's nearly $750 worth of OTOs there, which is astonishing. So what's good about the product? The software works, it does generate funnels. You do get done for your pages. For some that might be useful. And the training is fine, always fine on this vendor's products. And the cons, this isn't newbie friendly at all. The problem is that you'll end up building something and nobody's going to come to it. You're not going to have any traffic. It's hosted by them, which I always find is an issue, because if they don't support this in the long term, and remember, these products are released every single month, so they're not going to even have the staff to support these types of products in the long term. You do need to have an autoresponder, because if you are setting up any kind of system like this, you need to be capturing people's email addresses. They very, very rarely buy anything on the first time they see it in your funnel. So you need to have an autoresponder to capture their email addresses. Now it says on the sales page that no email list required, but that's not the way that you market online. Email is still the most powerful way that you can get people's attention. The sales page is very misleading. No traffic solution, as I said. The traffic solution is an awkward one. You need to learn how to do that as a beginner. I generate traffic from places like YouTube, you could use some other source. What you don't do is just randomly throw links out to various social media sites hoping for the best. I don't think this is needed. There is page builders out there like Thrive Architect or multiple others that you can pick up for $60, $70 for a one-time only fee, which is a much better quality like this, and it also makes your content more unique. And I don't think any of these systems are needed. Quite frankly, if you'd have bought the last 4 or 5 products off this vendor, which all promised exactly the same thing, you'd have already spent $60, $70, $80 on them. And it's the same system over and over again you're buying. So you may as well just buy one system, go on to Clickbank, find an offer and promote that offer. And the last thing really is, what's the guarantee? Is it 30 or 180 days? That's very confusing and something I would definitely watch out for. So guys, I'm going to give this a 4 out of 10. The reason I'll do that is because the software itself does work. It does provide you with a funnel to promote, although I think it's very, very low quality the way that it actually generates that funnel and the types of pages that you have. But it does do that, so I'll give it a 4 out of 10. The main issue with this is because you're a beginner and you have no business established, no following, no email list, you're going to really, really struggle to get any kind of traffic over to these types of funnels. And the worst thing you can do is start thinking about using paid traffic, such as solo ads, which is one of the traffic solutions they recommend within the product, to try and earn money, because you'll lose a fortune. So guys, thanks for watching. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step.